Think back, what is the first thing you thought about money? Maybe it was save every penny or get a job and you'll be rich. Well, here's the truth. Most of what you've been told about money is wrong. And following these lies is exactly why so many people work hard but never get ahead. So, in this eye-opening and short video, I'm going to break down the biggest lies about money that most people believe, and more importantly, what to do instead if you actually want to build real wealth. Alright, without further ado, let's kick things off with the first lie. Debt is always bad. You know, some debt is terrible, like credit cards and payday loans, but smart debt can actually make you money. Real estate loans, business loans, or student loans when used strategically can create assets that grow your wealth over time. For example, you can use a $50,000 mortgage to buy rental property that generates $1,500 a month cash flow. Actionable tip: learn the difference between bad debt and leverageable debt, and use debt to create assets, not liabilities. Are you avoiding all debts or using it wisely to grow your wealth? A high salary equals wealth. You know, earn more and you'll be rich. The truth is, your lifestyle often adjusts to your salary, and most people end up spending every extra dollar they earn. That promotion, it goes straight into a new car or a big apartment, and suddenly, still broke. For example, two people earn $50,000 and $100,000. The $50,000 earner lives below their means and invests 20% of income. But the $100,000 earner upgrades everything, spends it all, and invests nothing. Guess who's wealthier in 5 years? It is the $50,000 saver, right? Actionable tip: focus on building wealth habits, not just chasing a bigger paycheck. And track your spending and redirect extra income into investments. Lie 3. Rich people are just like you. Sure, luck plays a role sometimes, but consistent habits, mindset, and smart decisions matter far more. Wealth is built from knowledge, patience, and action, not winning the lottery. For example, Warren Buffett didn't stumble into success. He started, invested consistently, and made smart financial decisions over decades. So focus on building habits, learning, and taking calculated action. Small steps compounded over time beat random luck every single time. So, are you waiting for luck, or are you building your own financial path? Saving alone will make you rich. Here's the problem: saving alone won't make you wealthy. Inflation means that investment opportunities and everyday expenses slowly erode your money. For example, let's say you save $500 a month for 10 years in a regular bank account at 1% interest. You would end up with around $61,800. It sounds okay, right? But after 10 years, inflation may have cut its value significantly. So, save and invest. Start with index funds, ETFs, or dividend stocks, and let your money work for you, not just sit in a bank. Lie number 5. Investing is too risky for you. Here's the truth: not investing is often riskier than investing itself. Cash sitting in a bank loses value over time due to inflation, and smart and diversified investments grow your wealth steadily. So start with low risk and long-term investments, then gradually expand as your knowledge grows. And remember, time in the market beats timing the market.